Welcome to my YouTube channel Study Science. Today we will discuss and learn simple staining protocol, requirement, principle, procedure and result. After watching this video, you will be able to learn what is simple staining, what are the requirements for simple staining, what is the principle of simple staining, what is the procedure of simple staining, how to interpret result for simple staining. What is simple staining? Simple staining is a technique that only uses one type of stain on the slide at a time. Because only one stain is being used, the specimens will be one color. Therefore, simple stains are typically used for viewing only one organism per slide. In simple staining, we use the basic dyes having positive charge. What are the requirements of simple staining? Methylene blue or crystal violet or carbalfuchsin. Staining tray, Bunsen burner, inoculating loop, glass slides, and of course, apart from this, we need a microscope. Without microscope, we cannot see microorganisms. What is the principle of simple staining? In simple staining, the bacterial smear is stained with a single reagent, which produces a distinctive contrast between an organism and its background. Basic stains with a positively charged chromosome are preferred because bacterial nucleic acids and certain cell walls components carry a negative charge that strongly attracts and binds to the cationic chromosome. The purpose of simple staining is to elucidate the morphology and arrangement of bacterial cells. In simple staining, we use the basic dyes, for example, crystal violet, methylene blue, carbalfuchsin, which contains the positive charge. And as we know, the bacteria or the bacterial cell wall contains the negatively charged. So when we add a positively charged stain on the smear of bacteria, the positive and negative charge get attracted towards each other and strongly binds. So this is the principle of simple staining, and because of that binding, the bacterial cell get color whatever the color of the stain. Let's understand with the example. Suppose this is a bacterial cell having positive charge of sodium, and when we add a stain methylene blue chloride, that is Mb plus Cl minus, it gives a bacterial cell having a charge of methylene blue, that is Mb plus. A blue color cell will be appear and the complex of sodium chloride will be formed. So this is the principle of simple staining. It is a very simple principle, hence the name is given simple staining. Now what is the procedure for simple staining? Prepare and fix the smear to the microscope slide before staining. Place a slide on staining tray and flood the smear with one of the indicated stain, maybe of methylene blue, crystal violet or carbalfuchsin. Whichever is available, you can use that stain. Keep it for appropriate exposure time for each. For carbalfuchsin, keep the slide for 15 to 30 seconds. For crystal violet, keep the slide for 20 to 16 seconds. And for methylene blue, keep the slide for 1 to 2 minutes. Gently wash the smear with tap water to remove excess stain. During this step, hold the slide parallel to the stream of water. In this way, you can reduce the loss of organism from the preparation. Because if you keep the slide perpendicular to the stream of water, and because of the force of water, the organism from the smear can get washed. To avoid this wash of microorganism, the slide should be hold parallel to the stream of water. Dry the slide with bibulous paper and watch under microscope using oil immersion lens. So this is the simple procedure for simple staining. Follow each step carefully, you will get a result. How to interpret the result for simple staining? After watching or after adjusting the slide under microscope, you can see the blue color cocci shape bacteria if you are using methylene blue, and the red color rod shape bacteria if you are using carbol-fuchsin. Bacilli and diplococci rod shape bacteria are purple, spiral shape bacteria are purple, cocci shape you can see in diagram how they are arranged. Spherical shape bacteria are purple. So which stain you are using, the appearance, the color of the cell is depend on the color of that stain. If you are using carbol-fuchsin, then you will be get a red color bacteria. If you are using methylene blue or crystal violet, then you will be get purple or blue color bacteria. Friends, this is all about the simple staining procedure, simple staining protocol. If you have any doubt, please raise your question in comment section. I will answer your question. Thank you.